Hello, today I will show you how I did assignment number 7. This is my database IS7, where I have 5 tables: client, services, tariff, transaction for services, transaction for tariffs. Now let's start from the client side. In this page I used to show this welcome to our website message, I used constant function, constant property, and function get access, and object to show this header. Then I have Ajax. I did website for in my assignment. Only admin can sign in. I will show it later. I will repeat it. This is my example of using Ajax. This is my function, which called in PHP. In PHP is a registration form, sign in form. Sign in form. Let's continue. Then I used this. Also, my example of using Ajax. I'm calling two tables to another files. As you can see, services first one. This one, services. And the last, this one, tables. I'm sorry, not tables, tariff. The last div is my example of using abstract function, abstract class, inheritance, overriding, final class, private properties, getter, setter functions, final function, two public functions, object using getter and setter, overriding function. And as you can see, I corrected object of my final class, which inherited from abstract class. Then I called setters to my private properties. This one will change. Then that's all about object-oriented, but I forgot to show you my connection. I used final class, protected property, private property, constructor, final function, destructor. Then let's continue. Let's do sign in. This is my example of using select and jQuery. In this case, I used jQuery function to get CSS styles for first year, for table headers, and further borders. To select this table from the database, did require from connect.php created object, then called function and started my for each loop. As you can see, this is my example of using static function. It means that if I will do ordering by ask or desk, these numbers, these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will not change. Let's begin admin.php. Then in this case I have an example of JSON. I have output data in JSON format, in JSON style. First of all, I created a PHP array to select data, then I encoded this data to JSON format. Let's continue. In this last page, I have shown my Ajax functions. In this page, admin can see all tables. I think that's all. I will repeat. This table is my example of using jQuery. This is my example of using Ajax. And this is my example of using JSON. That's all. Thank you. Goodbye.